In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an event ticket to your Google Wallet. This is a simple process that makes managing your tickets much easier, keeping them all organized and accessible directly from your phone. Whether it's a concert, a sports game, or any other event, having your ticket in Google Wallet means you won't have to worry about misplacing paper tickets or digging through emails to find your digital copies. To get started, open up your Google Wallet on your phone. When you do this, you'll arrive at the home screen. Here's where you'll see a variety of options and where we can begin the quick and easy process of adding your ticket. You'll notice a section dedicated to adding passes. This is usually marked by an option labeled Add Any Pass or Ticket. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked on it, you'll have the option to capture a photo of your event ticket. This step is crucial, so make sure you have your ticket ready. Using your phone's camera, capture a clear and readable image of the ticket. Make sure the details like event name, date, and any QR or barcodes are clearly visible. This image is what Google Wallet will use to recognize and store the ticket for later use, so it's important to get a good shot. After you've captured the ticket's photo and are satisfied with it, look for a button that says Apply. By tapping Hide Apply, you confirm that this is the correct ticket image you want to add. If you notice any issues or need to retake the picture, you can always go back and capture a new image to ensure accuracy. Once you've confirmed and applied your ticket photo, the next step is straightforward. Click Done. This part of the process finalizes the addition of your event ticket into Google Wallet. It acts as a confirmation that everything has been uploaded correctly and is good to go. And just like that, your concert ticket is now stored safely in your Google Wallet. From now on, accessing your ticket is as simple as opening the app and navigating to your saved passes. This feature can save you time and hassle, especially when you're rushing out the door to make it to your event on time. With your ticket now integrated into your Google Wallet, you're ready to enjoy your event with peace of mind, knowing everything you need is right at your fingertips. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching and enjoy your event.